Hello everyone, I'm very happy to be here today in Montreal with a very special guest, Professor Ambati, who is also one of my mentors, so this is very special to me today. So Professor Ambati, you presented something very interesting about the new treatments in geographic atrophy. We know that complement inhibitors are not enough to treat patients, so what's your drug about?
Yeah, so we have a novel dual inflammasome inhibitor called K8 or calmivudine 8. It blocks multiple upstream pathways of geographic atrophy, including complement, but other things like retrotransposons, amyloid, other kinds of drusen constituents. And these inflammasomes are the sort of final common pathway that leads to RPE and photoreceptor death. And so today I described the results of our phase 2 trial, which really showed spectacular results of more than 50% reduction in lesion progression over 6 months.
Which is much more than we've ever seen with complement inhibitors, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So over the first 6 months, the two approved products in the United States reduced by 12.5 or 13.6%. And so seeing a 54% reduction is obviously quite transformative.
It's huge.
Absolutely. But more than just the structure, we also saw functional benefit. We saw a 4-letter difference in BCVA, best corrected visual acuity, that was also statistically significant. So it's great to see the structural improvement, but it's really nice to see the functional benefit as well.
I mean, this is awesome. And how is this used? Is this injected every month, or is it different from the other drugs?
No, that's the other advantage. So if you were to list the advantages, in addition to the efficacy, there is the safety, which over 6 months we saw no choroidal neovascularization, no intraocular inflammation, no endophthalmitis, no vasculitis, and so on. But the injection frequency is also 1/3 as much. So instead of an injection every month, it's an injection every 3 months.
Wow. Amazing. So this is very promising, and we're waiting for the phase 3 trials, right?
Absolutely. We're planning a global phase 3 program, both here and in Europe and Latin America, hopefully to start by the end of this year or beginning of next year.
Amazing. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.